Before my surgery, as I came on to the consultations with Dr. Zimm, I was very apprehensive and nervous because I'd never gone through this process before. I actually felt a lot better and more confident going into the surgery. The 2 times before the surgery, I sat down with Dr. Zimm and we just went over everything in detail. It wasn't like 15 minutes, it was like an hour sitting down and discussing everything from what it would look like before, during, and after, and just really going over the process and feeling more secure. So going into my rhinoplasty and chin implant surgery, I also had sinus work done. I felt a lot of relief after the surgery because of the medications I took prior to that surgery day. That during those 7 days of recovery, I didn't see much bruising, and I didn't actually bruise at all. I also didn't really feel much discomfort. I can't say that I was in extreme pain. And after the surgery, the 7th day when the cast came off on my nose and on my chin, I was anxious to see what it would look like because it had been 7 days since I didn't see the nose before. Just to paint a little picture of what it looked before, I had a bump on my nose, pretty big bump. My nose was crooked, and the tip of my nose was a little bulgy, so it was a little bit out of proportion, and my chin was too small, I guess, for the shape of my face. After the surgery, and on that day when he took all the casts off, I realized that I saw just a beautiful nose and a beautiful chin, and I was really happy. So it healed very fast due to the type of care that I received and due to the medicines that I was prescribed. Of course, I would say every patient should be patient because miracles don't happen in a day, but I promise you, after like 7 days, looking at your new nose or new structure or new chin, it's definitely a difference, and it's a bit of like fresh air and confidence. So don't be nervous, just be a little bit, that's normal, and you'll be fine.